Hi guys, welcome back. So let's solve this room. Mnemonic. Here we have, you can say, four tasks. First one is simple, just correct it. Then this is based on enumeration. So let's start. First of all, as you all know, we start with network port scanning. So here you can see I have used Rust scan, and here are the open ports that are 21, 80, and 1337. So here it asks for how many open ports. So there are three open ports. Now it asks for what is the SSH port number. Okay, here you can see when we have this services here running in port 1337, SSH is running. Hence, the answer for this question is 13337. And next question is, what is the name of the secret file? Okay, we have to find the name of secret file. As port 80 is open, so you can say here, let's do this. Okay, we will come to this walkthrough later. Okay, so here you can see there was just written test, nothing else. So I started directory enumeration. Let's go to there. Here you can see I have started the directory enumeration, and I got these webmasters, webmaster/admin, and webmaster/backup, three directories here. Then I started, you can say, this directory testing in with /backups, and I got this /webmaster/backup/backup.zip. So here I when I entered backups.zip, you can say we have redirected it to a download page here. So I have already downloaded it. Hence the secret file is backups.zip. It's basic, you can say, directory enumeration, nothing else, as none of these were working. So we will go more deeper and deeper. More if this also wouldn't work, like there may be some more like a secret path, then secret under secret something else. So we have to continue this. If nothing we are able to find, we have to stick, you can say, stick with this directory enumeration to find something interesting. Okay, the next step is let's open that backup file. It was password protected, hence we use zip2join to crack the password. Here you can see the password is this. Now as we have password, we open the backup file, and now here you can see there was a node.txt, and inside node there was written James new FTP username is FTP user. We have to work hard. Okay, now the answer for this question, we got FTP user. Now we have to find FTP password. Okay, no problem. So I tried random password, but it didn't work. So then I started using Hydra. So with the help of Hydra, here you can see, wait a second, here I was searching for word list. Yep, with the rock.txt, here you can see, actually first I was using this lower p character, but that is for if we know the exact password. To run through a word list, we have to enter this dash capital P. Okay, no problem. So here you can see it cracked the password in few time. It took a little bit, but now we have our password, that is love forever. Here you can see the FTP password is love forever. Okay, now let's log into FTP. In FTP there were folders, you can see data1, data2 till data10. Every one was first you can say cd data1, but there was nothing. But then I see this, here you can see in data4 there was size, you can see the size here in everyone 2, and in data4 there was size 4. So what I did is I changed directly to data4, and there I got, me show you, a IDRSA and a node.txt file. I downloaded both the file, and now I have IDRSA and node.txt. So this, you can see, James is the SSH user. SSH username is James. Here you can see it's written James changed FTP user password. Okay, now we have IDRSA file. We will provide it sufficient permission. Here you can see and then we will use ssh-i id rsa to enter that. It asks for passphrase for key, so we have to actually crack the key. Then we used ssh to John to crack the ssh key password, and we got the password as blue love. Okay, no problem. After that, when I log in with, you can say, SSH with port 13137, we know as default port 22 will not work, so we have to use this 13137. Here you can see then what I did is I first created a decrypted RSA file, and then use that decrypted RSA file to log into James. Okay, here you can see 22 was not working, so I used port 1337 because it's open. Then I entered the password, that is blue love. So James password is same as the password of that file. After logging in, you can see I have two files, that is 6450.txt and node4james.txt. Here something was running, I don't know what, but it was like sort of a prank or something. It says that we are root, okay, but okay, no problem. Let's ignore this. But there was a file 6450.txt. Here you can see we have file 6450.txt, and one more thing is you can see here when I cat notes note for James, we have a note, James, I found a new encryption image based, name is Mnemonic. I created the condor password, don't forget the beers on Saturday. Okay, then what I did is I searched for any is as it says image based, so I searched for image. I didn't get anything. Then I it actually you can see auto close after some time, so it closed the connection. Then I again connect to the SSH port. Let me go there. Okay, yep, here I again logged in as SSH, and then I try to find a user.txt file. So doing this, here you can see I got many file with permission denied, but when I scroll down, I got something interesting. Here you can see there was these two files in Condor home directory that are base 64 encoded. So I copied that here. Let's go cybersec, and first one gave us the flag, user flag, and the second one gave us a link for the image. Here it is. Now we have an image file to crack the password. As we have you can see image file to crack the password, and we know that there was a root file also. The root file, let me show you here. It okay, the node file was, let's go up. Okay, here it says I found a new encryption image based named Mnemonic. So we have to search for Mnemonic encryption. Then here I go Mnemonic encryption image based. Let's search for it. So the first repo which you will see here, you can see this one is the repo. We have to download this script and then enter image path, then enter, you can say, this first while encrypting it returns you to some set of numbers. Here you can see in the image, and that the numbers we also received in the SSH file 6450. Here I copied it to my directory. Let's go down. Okay, let's go here. And okay, no problem. Mnemonic.py. Okay, I think that part is missing somewhere. Wait a second. Let me exit the root. Exit this kernel. Wait a second. The history is, I don't know why, but okay, no problem. Here you can see I first of all, let's go and activate the environment for running Python file properly. Let's change again the directory to this, and let's run mnemonic.py. So here we have to enter the file path. file path is, wait a second, okay, and the image file name is let me find that image. Yes, as you know, it says it shows me the error this. Okay, but I don't know why this error was being shown. But when I you can say used grok to, you can check for the error, it gave me a script which was working. Let me show you. Okay, there was some problem in the length limit. Go up. Actually, this script, I don't know why, but was not able to run in my PC. I don't know the reason, but that when I you can say change this whole script from the grok one, let's paste that script. Okay, I have pasted the script, and now when I run the script and entered the image file as, okay, wait a second, here slash image name this, and when I enter this detail, I got some sort of you can say this image analysis completed successfully, your special code. Okay, I found out the special code. Then what we have to do is we have to decrypt it. So I choose decrypt and gave the file path for that, you can say the encrypted numbers that we received in the directory. Here you can see 0.txt I have given, enter, but it says wrong key or error password. I don't know why was it you can say showing this, but this was the error. That's why I was not able to solve this question on my own. Okay, let me show you the file cat 6450. Here is this, you can say 6450.txt file. Okay, now when I move on to a write up, because I was stuck at this question from you can say I was trying to check for the script, but I didn't get anything. I thought I am doing something wrong, but here you can see when first we have to add the file path, then we have to add this 6450.txt. I also did the same thing, and but here you can see the code they have been generated, and the code which our have for us has been generated are not same. But in every write-up I have seen, they have this code same. I don't know why this script was not working, but there was some issue with it. I was not able to solve that issue. But as we know, this is just an steganography problem, so I skipped that part and copied directly the password from here, which is not good. But I don't know why was this not working. I tried this same, you can say, steps around 10 to 20 times, but it didn't work for me. But I don't know the reason for that. Here I will show you how many times I have run that command. Okay, history grab. Let's copy this file name. Okay, here you can see this time it's not saying, but I have run more than this too, but it was not working at all. I have tried to change the script many times, but it didn't work for me. So I copied the password directly. So after copying the password directly, you can say I have the password for down and user.txt we got earlier. Now we have to only focus on root.txt, which was quite simple. Okay, let's log into the SSH for root. Okay, here you can see now we are okay. There is some problem with this also. No problem. Let's log in with Condor. I think this IP is correct, 81.160. Okay, let's paste the password for it. Okay, copy the credential and paste it here, enter. There were these two files which we came across earlier to decode the link and the flag one. Now I searched for anything, but I don't got anything, so I just run. After running just sudo -l, here you can see I can run this command user slash bin slash python 3 slash bin slash example code.py as you can say root. Then what I did is I first started to see the content of that file example code.py. Let's go and enter it, and here you can see in the menu function of Python it shows 0 with exit. Okay, but there was some twist. Means 0 was not exiting, but it was you can say trying to input something, and which it will run as system. Here you can see os.system and input something. Here you can see we have this input. It will run the command which we put as input as you can say root. So when I run this script, let's copy that whole thing. This we can run this command as root. So we will sudo it and start it to run it. Now it's running, you can see it. So it's asked for the option. As we know that the menu is misconfigured, so we will select 0. So it will not exit actually. It will redirect to the other function. It says, are you sure you want to quit? Then when you go to above the function, we have to enter dot here, because it then only we are be able to enter any command as root. Now we can run slash bin slash bash to run the cell as root, and here you can see now we are root. Let's confirm it by using id. Now we are root. So here we have successfully exploited the machine as root. Now what we will do is we will just go to root directory and get the root.txt. Okay, so here it is. After it says congratulations you made it, and it also says hash me. Then I copied it, and here the hint was to hash it in md5. So here you can see md5 hash. I converted it to md5 hash and submitted, and that was the question. So it was very great question, and but the part of this, you can say the image one script which is not working. I don't know why is the script not working. Maybe some issues with this, because it's the library has been not been this repo has been not been upgraded within this past 6 years 5 years. So maybe there some problem, you can say, but overall this was a great question. So that's it. Thank you for watching.